Hey, tech enthusiasts! Have you heard the latest buzz? The OPPO Find X8 Pro has just shattered records on AnTuTu with its Dimensity 9400 chipset. According to a fresh leak, this beast of a phone notched up an incredible score of 2,880,558. That's right, folks. The highest ever score on this benchmarking platform. To put that into perspective, the previous leader, the Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro, scored 2,043,275 points. Even the flagship Find X7 Ultra couldn't top this, maxing out at 2,016,395 in our review. Now breaking down that AnTuTu score. The CPU racked up 622,417 points, the GPU hit a staggering 1,288,622, memory scored 519,308, and the UX came in at 450,211. Impressive stuff, right? And yes, you can see the Dimensity 9400 SoC proudly mentioned below the score. The tested model, presumably the top-end variant, boasts 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, a 120 Hz display, and runs on Android 15. But wait, there's more. Tipster Digital Chat Station has leaked an image of what he claims to be the OPPO Find X8 display. From the ultra-thin bezels to the flat edges and curved corners, it's giving off major iPhone 16 vibe, sans the dynamic island. Instead, you get a central punch hole cutout. So what about the rest of the specs? Expect a massive 700 mAh battery with 80W wired charging, 100W on the Ultra model, 50W wireless charging, and an Apple MagSafe-like solution. The screen? A stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with 1.5K resolution. And the cameras? A round rear camera island featuring a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide snapper, a 3x telephoto zoom shooter, and a 10x periscope telephoto zoom lens. Excited yet? Stay tuned for more updates on this powerhouse, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest in tech. Catch you in the next one.